Hello, my name is Stanislav, Systemы защиты Plus, Orsk. Today we will look at an attempt to steal a Mazda 5 car. We were contacted by our client Evgeny from St. Petersburg. I suggest you listen to the conversation, see the photos that he sent, and then discuss in more detail. Hello, it's Stanislav, Systemы защиты Plus. Are you okay to talk? Would you like to know more about the attempt theft of your car? Yes, I sent it for your information. Yes, this is very important information for us. So, we would like to know more details. I do not know when the attempt was made. I left the car for the night. The next day I saw it. The attackers managed to slightly crank the steering wheel with a python while damaging the windshield. On the left side of the panel, bending the steering wheel, they turned the steering wheel until the python rested on the right side of the panel. Judging by your photos, the response part of python rested on the panel and then the attackers failed to crank it. I agree, because it was impossible to rotate the steering wheel further. Did you only have a python steering wheel lock on your car? No, there was also a steering shaft blocker Universal Pereckhvat. Evgeny, why we are studying your case in detail? Because with python steering wheel interlock has very few attempts to steal. In this case, this is due to the fact that the Mazda 5 is a rare car. We assume that this was an order, so even after seeing python interlock, carjackers got into the car. Evgeny, with your consent, would you like to post photos and the recording of conversation on the site as an example of attempt carjacking? Sure, specify that the car had two interlocks, python and Pereckhvat. Be sure we post only true reviews. Bye. Goodbye. Therefore, even if you saw the steering wheel rim, you will need to do it in several places, bend and tighten the interlock. The photo shows that the carjackers managed to turn the steering wheel from the left side of the panel, damaging the steering wheel and glass, but only before python rested on the right side of the panel. It is important that this car was also equipped with a steering shaft interlock Universal Pereckhvat. There was no mechanical damage to this interlock. Carjackers fate two interlocks left the car. This case indicates that even rare cars may be subject to theft attempts, and the car may have been custom-made. We are happy with this result. Python plus Pereckhvat kit completed its task 100%. The car remained with the rightful owner. The car suffered from damage, but they are insignificant compared to the price of the car itself. It's Systemы защиты Plus. My name is Stanislav. Take care of yourself and your property. All the best.